Hello friends, in this video we will discuss the Pearl Index. It is very confusing to students whether what is 100 woman year and how we just interpret the Pearl indexes of various contraceptive method. So first of all, it is an index of contraception failure. Okay, it's not an index of contraception success. Pearl index is a index of contraception failure. It indicates effectiveness of method indirectly, not directly. It indicates effectiveness of the contraceptive method. So if the Pearl index increases, that means the effectiveness of the contraceptive method is decreased. Now let's see which the unit in which the Pearl index is measured. That is HWY, that is 100 woman year. Now what is 100 woman year? Suppose we have OC pills, oral contraceptive pills. We want to measure that Pearl index of that thing. So what we will do? We will give this OC pills to 100 women or couple, and allow them to use this method for 1 year, that is 12 months, and then we will discount accidental pregnancy. We will count the accidental pregnancy happen in such 100 couples in a year. So this will give us the Pearl index. Total number of accidental pregnancy in 100 women in 12 months. So the Pearl index formula will be total number of pregnancy into 1200 number of patient observed and month of use. Now this 1200 comes because we now using the month of use, and instead of 100 women we now observing not 100 women, maybe more, maybe less. So that's why this 1200 has come. Don't go on that mathematics, just remember this thing, that what is Pearl index? Number of accidental pregnancies into 1200 divided by number of patient observed and month of use. Okay, so if another example, for example, I give 200 couples to use male condom for 3 years, 200 couples, and it resulted into 50 accidental pregnancy. So this is the formula: 50 into 1200 divided by 200 into 36. This will come as a 8.33. So Pearl index of condom use is 8.33. Okay, this is how we measure the effectiveness of any contraceptive method. Now Pearl index also depend on how effectively the couple is using that method. Okay, the Pearl index is not independent of the method of use. For example, if one couple is using condoms, male condoms, very sincerely, and the another couple uses same condom not very sincerely, that means that there is a difference between those two couples in the PI, Pearl index of the same condom. So the Pearl index is dependent on how a couple sincere and dedicated to use that particular method. Okay, what we are getting here, there are general rules, there are general PIs of various methods I have described here. This description includes general public use. We are using this method in general public. The general public may not be, some of them may not be very well dedicated to use that method. So it is the PI is going to hire then the actual Pearl index of any method if it is used with dedication. Okay, so male condom PI is 15%. Okay, now female condom, the PI index is 21%. So now you can identify that the female condom is less effective than male condom. Okay, the sponge method, the PI index is of 20%. Diaphragm again 20%. Vaginal ring 8%. So vaginal ring is more effective than this male condom, female condom, sponge and diaphragm. Now comes the OC pills. OC pills have 8% of OC pills have 8% rate. See, OC pills are very effective contraceptive methods, very effective, but still 8% use. 8% is a PI. Why? Because many couples did not take these OC pills very sincerely when it should be taken. Otherwise, if we use OC pills as very dedicatedly, then it can be just as low as 0.8, which is same to IUCD. Okay, so compliance is also a method. Compliance is also a factor. Now see the IUCD. IUCD, the Pearl index is 0.8%. Male and female sterilization have Pearl index 0.15 and 0.5. So can you identify now this thing that IUCD, male sterilization and female sterilization are actually very effective. Why? Because it is not dependent on the compliance of the patient. If you insert an IUCD in a female, then it is going to act there. The female does not have to get motivated every time. If you have done male sterilization and female sterilization, then the effectiveness is very high, because it is done. Once the contraception is done, the patient the motivation of the patient and the dedication of the patient have no role in these contraceptive methods. That's why their Pearl index is very low. Why the same OC pill, which is very effective contraceptive method, but still 8% is the Pearl index. Why? Because the factor of compliance and factor of dedication comes in that thing. So this is why when we talk about a very good and effective contraceptive method, what we should do is we should have such a method in which method we have to rely list. For example, compliance should be good. We should use those methods in which compliance is good. That's why it becomes a very effective method. So whenever we want to choose any contraceptive method for any couple, then this factor is very important, that how this couple is going to have a compliance with that particular method. This is the very important factor in deciding contraception for that particular couple. Okay, so thank you.